Hello everybody. So in this video, we will understand the tools which are required for the vibe coding. So first thing is we need a local server. So why do we need a local server? When we develop a website, we need a server to go and check whether the website is running as per our requirement or expectation or not. So that is the reason we need a live server. But when we are developing the website, we can't go and host our website and check in live server. Actually, we can, but in one way we should not. So what is the alternate for that is a local server. So where do we get the local server from? We can get the local server from Apache Friends. So Apache Friends has one local server called XAMPP, and we can install XAMPP in our system, which is computer, our regular computer in which we are going to develop the website. No matter what operating system you are using, Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, it's completely fine. Once we get the XAMPP installed in our system, we will have our local server. Make sure with that local server, the website cannot be accessed to the complete world. It is only in the system which we are working. To make the website available to the world, we need the actual live server. That we will do in the later part. Now let's see where to download the XAMPP from. So for that, you have to come for apachefriends.org. You can directly search XAMPP on any search engine. You will land here. Based on what operating system you are using, you have to click on any one of the button and the XAMPP will be downloaded. Once the XAMPP is downloaded, you have to install the XAMPP as you install a regular software. Once it is installed, then you're good to go. After XAMPP, we need one more thing which is called as Composer. So what is Composer? Composer is a dependency manager for PHP. What is dependency? So when we design or develop a website, there might be a high chance we need a plugin or a third party package which we want to implement in our website. So how do we manage those third party packages? How do we install the third party packages in our Laravel PHP development environment? So that is where the Composer comes in. There is one more way. Instead of downloading the Composer from getcomposer.org, when we start developing the website with the help of AI, we can ask AI to get the Composer installed in our system or in our environment. Okay, so both ways are there. If you want to go and download, you can visit getcomposer.org or you can download it with the AI prompt. The last and the most important thing which we should have is a AI code editor. Without that, we can't develop the website, right? So what I'm going to use is Cursor. So Cursor is a tool which is developed on Visual Studio. This is a AI code editor. This is the place where you can give your prompts and AI will write the code for you. So this is the tool which we are going to use, which is Cursor. The link for all these three tools will be available in the description. You can go and click on the link, download the tools, install the tools, and how to use the tools, that we will see in the next one. Once your installation is done, first thing we will see in the next video that how to turn on Apache server, which will be your local server and a local database in your local system using XAMPP. So see you in the next one.